Hello friends, welcome to my video. Today we're going to make a paper shirt, and for this craft we will need a piece of scrap paper. So let's start. So the first step is to fold it in half. So line up the edges like that and crease it. There we go. Now we're going to open it up. Then we're going to fold it like that. So then you have to do that. And fold it to that line right there. So those creases are basically what we're going to do with that. And fold it in half like that. There we go. And then we're going to do the thing that I did right there. Fold it in half or outwards like that. There you go. Then turn it over and fold out that edge like about 1 centimeter down. Up that much or something like that. Now we're going to turn it over and put that edge into the middle. And there we go. And then we're going to do the same thing with the other side. We want to make it equal. There we go. So now we're going to just put it in to those colours like that. And there we go. That's our finished shirt. This paper shirt is actually really easy to make. And if you liked my video, please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.